Hey everybody, Ryan here at etrailer.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at our best braking system options for our 2017 to 2019 GMC Acadia. Now today we're going to be looking at three different types of braking systems. This one here is going to be a fixed system, so essentially it's going to be more of a permanent setup. This one is also going to be fixed, but it's going to be used with RVs or motorhomes with air brakes. And lastly, this is going to be a portable unit. Now all three of these systems are proportional systems. There are others on the market that are not, however I would recommend these. And what I mean by proportional is the harder you apply your RV or motorhome's brakes, the harder your vehicle's brakes behind you are going to be pushed as well, and it just makes for a smoother stop. We'll start with the even brake portable unit. Now how this works is it's going to set onto your floorboard and your seat is going to push up against it. Then this is going to clamp around your brake pedal. So this will be a perfect option for you if you only use a flat toe setup every now and again. Now kind of the disadvantage is that you're going to have to set it up every time you use it. Another thing that I would really like about it is that if you ever happen to sell your vehicle, you can keep this with you and use it for that new car. Now the Demco Air Force One and the Demco Stay and Play Duo are essentially going to work exactly the same. However, as I mentioned before, the Air Force One is going to be specifically set up for air brakes only. Now one disadvantage a fixed unit has over a portable unit is that the installation is going to be a little more involved. But once you have it in, you're not going to have to set it up every time you want a flat toe. All you're going to have to do is flip a switch and then you'll be ready to flat toe. So if you have your RV or motorhome and you flat toe with it all the time, this is probably going to be a better option for you. The Stay and Play Duo is going to use two signals to tell our vehicle to apply its brakes. This is the G-force box, and this essentially is an inertia signal. It'll use that, and it'll also use this wiring which will tap into our motorhome's taillights and use a taillight signal. Now when it picks up both of those signals, it's going to apply this actuator which will be connected to our brake pedal. How the Air Force One is going to work, it's actually going to tap into the motorhome's air brakes, and that air pressure generated from our motorhome, that is what's going to activate our actuator, which once again will be connected to the vehicle's brake pedal. The portable system is going to have an inertia sensor built into it. That way it's going to detect deceleration and apply our brake accordingly. So to sum everything up, if you don't plan on keeping your Acadia all that long, or just flat toe occasionally, the portable system is going to be a good option for you. Now if you do a lot of towing, and your RV or motorhome uses air brakes, the Air Force One is going to be a good selection. Same thing with the Duo. If you do a lot of towing and plan on keeping your vehicle for a while, that'll be a good option for you as well. Now keep in mind, today we're just going to be talking about the braking systems. To complete your full flat toe setup, you're also going to need a base plate, a tow bar wiring, and safety cables. So you can check our fit guide to find the right options for you. Now on our Acadia here today, we have the Roadmaster EZ5 base plate. And for our tow bar wiring, use the Roadmaster High Power Universal Diode Kit. Now as far as the tow bar goes, our customer chose to use the Roadmaster Nighthawk, which does come included with safety cables. And that'll do it for our look at our best braking system options on our 2017 to 2019 GMC Acadia.